This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
এবারই আসবে ওদের ইয়ে ঘুরেছিল না দেখতে পাইনি।